Hi, welcome to my new channel called Mathematics Debunked. My name is Mr. Sup, but it's not my real name. I will teach kids Year 4 to Year 8 or Grade 3 to Grade 7, and sometimes Year 3 or Grade 2. Just for now, let's jump straight into our first video, addition using the column method. This strategy is used in Year 3 or Grade 2, but you can continue to use it up to Year 6 or Grade 5. The column method is a simple and easy way for working out additional equations, but this will be a lot easier if you know your basic addition facts. This method is also called multi-digit addition because you will need multiple digits to use this method. Now for this method, we'll start from the right side and work our way left. Also remember to be straight, not sloppy all over the place. So our first equation will be 25 plus 63. Firstly and most importantly, we will stack the two numbers in a column. Now, that's better. Remember that the equations are going down in a column. So our first equation is 5 plus 3, which is 8. So now we put an 8 in the ones column, just below the answer line. Now we'll move on to the tens column. Our equation for the tens column is 6 plus 2, which is 8. Now put an 8 in the tens column, just below the answer line. There you have it. You completed an addition equation using the column method. Now let's do another equation that is a little bit harder from the previous one. Let's do 347 plus 38. First we do 7 plus 8, which equals 15. But we can't put 15 in one space, so we put the 5 in the ones column just below the answer line. We also still have 10 left over, so we carry the 10 above the tens column, but write it as a 1, because that represents 10 when it's over the tens column. Now we'll move on to the tens column. Our equation for the tens place is 4 plus 3, which equals 7. Wait a minute, we have to add on the 10 from earlier to the 7. 7 plus 1 equals 8. Now let's write an 8 in the tens column, just below the answer line. Now we add the hundreds, which is just 3. Now we put a 3 in the hundreds column, just below the answer line. Well done! We have now completed another equation. Let's move on to an equation more difficult. Now our equation is 6,381 plus 746 plus 338. First we do 1 plus 6 plus 8, which is 15. Now we put the 5 in the ones column, just below the answer line. Put the 10 on top of the tens column, written as a 1. Now we do 8 plus 4 plus 3, which is 15. We also need to add on the extra 10 on top from earlier. 15 plus 1 equals 16. So now we put the 6 in the tens column, just below the answer line. And we put the extra 100 on top of the hundreds column. Now let's work on the hundreds column. 3 plus 7 plus 3 equals 13. We won't forget to add on the extra 100 from last time. 13 plus 1 equals 14. We still have a spare 1,000, so we carry it on top of the thousands column. Final step. 6 plus 1 equals 7, which gives us a total of 7,465. Last question. 5,224 plus 6,797. 4 plus 7 equals 11. So we put the 1 in the ones column just below the answer line and the 10 above the tens column. The next equation is 2 plus 9, which is 8, which is 11, and we have to add on the extra 10. So 11 plus 1 equals 12. We now put the 2 in the tens column, just below the answer line, and the remaining hundreds above the hundreds column. 2 plus 7 plus 1 equals 10. So we put the 0 in the hundreds column, just below the answer line, and the extra 100 above the thousands column. Final equation is 5 plus 6 plus 1, which equals 12. So we put 12 in the thousands column, just below the answer line. Thanks for watching, guys. Remember to like and subscribe, and see you when the next video comes out. Bye!